Introducing the new Companion 72-litre Flexi Zone with Bluetooth Smart Control. With a low-profile design, tough metal exterior, and high-efficiency C-cup compressor, it is the best value-for-money dual-zone fridge freezer on the market. Featuring an easy-to-read digital control panel, an ultra-insulated cabinet with aluminium liner, 3-stage battery protection, 2 internal LED lights, and removable baskets for convenience. The individually controlled cooling zones allow you to use both compartments as a fridge, a freezer, or both. You can even shut off a single compartment when not in use. The Bluetooth Smart Control allows you to set and control the performance of your fridge, including temperature, battery condition and cooling modes, right from the palm of your hand. Also included with every Companion 72-litre fridge freezer is a protective transit cover. If you want a fridge that's reliable, uses the latest technology, and is built to last, look no further than Companion for everything big in fridge freezers. Available at your local Anaconda store.